After the war began, small bands of humans found refuge in northern Minnesota. A place untouched by technology, where it was hoped we would be safe. We managed to recreate a sense of normalcy for our families, off the grid. But they still came. They sent their newest and deadliest mechanical predators, the Mark II Cuban and the Elon Muskie. They were upgrades derived from the original design, the Edmund Fitzgerald. It was a trap all along, a lure that we fell for, hook, line and sinker. Before we knew it, we were surrounded on all sides. The onslaught of the machine lutefisk hybrids was relentless. They slipped through our defenses like it was a Vikings game. They attacked the children first. And then came for us. We couldn't reason with them. We couldn't bargain with them. We tried to make them feel pity, and tried to scare them away. Their semi-human intelligent technology couldn't understand. Maybe it was my thick Minnesotan accent, don't you know? We are gonna need a bigger boat. Their mistake was underestimating the strength of the human connection and our desire to save each other. They didn't count on us. We lost people that day. But it was then we realized they were not invincible. Just like any other fish, they could be caught and slapped upside the pontoon. We reprogrammed them with a virus to carry back to the marina, to once and forever stop the insanity of our creation at the source. Will it work? Probably not. So we'll try again and again. We will evolve. Storms are coming. We are the resistance.
Mojo.